Hi, I'm Sohan, and this is Whale Tales. Encouraging creative writing in children is very important because it lets them use their imaginations, broadens their thought processes, and problem-solving abilities. It fosters social development, powers of persuasion, builds confidence, and improves their chances of success in life. Unfortunately, the problem is that there are not enough resources available for children to practice creative writing skills. Some children lack access to these resources, and the pandemic has also resulted in even fewer opportunities for children to practice their creative writing skills. As a published author myself, I am very aware of the obstacles that children face in having their voices heard. I've learned a lot from my own journey of writing and publishing books. I want to use my passion for writing and my knowledge of the challenges that young authors face with the powers of technology to develop a solution. The solution to the problem is a web application that I am developing called Whale Tales. It captures children's voices and imaginations and brings their stories to life in the form of digital storybooks. It lets them draw inspiration from stories published by their peers and builds their confidence in creative writing. Here's one of the prototype screens of the Whale Tales app. As you can see, it allows children to add text and images as they build their story. I used Adobe Illustrator to create the Whale Tales logo, and Figma to create the low fidelity and high fidelity wireframes, as well as the prototype. So the progress so far is that after completing several design iterations, I've finalized the clickable prototype for the Whale Tales app. The next step is to use the prototype to develop a fully functioning web application. For this, I need to first design the server architecture and hire a software developer to help me build the database and server components. Once that is completed, I can test the application and get feedback to improve upon that version. I could then deploy the final application after improvements. Once the web application is deployed successfully, the next step would be to launch the app on iPads and Android tablets. In my competitive research and analysis, I found that Whale Tales has three main competitors: Storyjumper, Storybird, and Book Creator. What sets apart Whale Tales from its competition is its simplicity and ease of use, especially for younger children, as well as the ability to customize stories by using your own artwork. I plan to form a limited liability company in California. To build the brand, we'll partner with schools in San Diego, starting of course with La Jolla Country Day School, and then expanding to other cities and schools. We will advertise on social media. Our competitors have had a lot of success leveraging the Facebook platform, for instance. We will also start a blog and partner with organizations such as George Lucas's Edutopia and 100.org. We plan to enable the tool for free and generate revenue through ad views. We expect to have revenue of approximately $30,000 in 2022, growing to around $600,000 by 2025. Here's a breakdown of our expenses in our first year of operation. The total expenditure is projected to be $5,490. After the first year, we expect to bootstrap till we get to millions of members and need significant VC funding. I hope this pitch has convinced you that there is a market need for a tool like Whale Tales that helps foster creative writing skills in young children. I hope to receive funding of $5,490 so I can make Whale Tales a reality. Thank you so much.